Hello and a warm welcome to our consultant channel. In this episode I will tell you something about the challenges in the direction of export projects. My name is Ruttensteiner, the founder of Ruttensteiner Consulting. We have about 25 years experience in B2B, and so I want to tell you just headlines in this episode, that you have an idea what can be happen or what maybe you have forgotten in your export project. Or when you do the first export, then it's really necessary to do and check all these things and more. So let us talk about certificates. Every land, every country, every state has his own regulations. But there are also international regulations. In the food industry, is it like IFS or BRC? These are international certificates for food producer and beverage producers. So, if you sell your products only in your own country, then it's possible to sell these products without the international certificates. But when you go to international sales activities, then you have to bring these certificates. So, this is one of the first thing. Check if your branch had his own certificates. In other branches you have here in Europe, we have the CE side. So if you want to bring a technical equipment, maybe a small machine or electronic stuff, a gimmick, whatever, then you need this label that you can bring it in the shops in Europe. So sometimes also it's necessary to inform the customer about the material texture or about the ingredients. So you have really take a look about the regulations in your branch. In food and beverage, it's important that all things are also labeled in the German language. This is one of the reasons why we tell our clients always start with one of the biggest, or in my opinion the biggest area from the European Union. This is the German speaking area, because you have just one language, one package, and you can sell this product in Germany, Switzerland, Austria, parts of Italy, I mean Südtirol, also Liechtenstein and some other parts from Europe. So if you want to sell the same product in Spain, then you have to produce a new package with Spain labels. And this is the same with technical stuff. Or if you have industrial machines, then you have to label the safety labels in the correct language. So for employees, it's important that they can read these safety labels. And so it's definitely necessary to write this in Germany or in the national language. So also in other branches it's garbage disposal regulations available. These are always so small things what sometimes will be forgotten, because you are so in the drive to start your export, So, and you always think, okay, it's normal in my country, but when you go over the border, then there are other rules. So don't forget it. Check all necessary things in the country, in your target country. Yeah? You can do it via internet, but don't forget, the internet doesn't tell you always the truth or all points what you need. So in our experience is better you speak with the Chamber of Economy in the target country, or go to a consultant company, or when it's possible send one of your employees in this country where you want to export, and he or she check all necessary things. But in this case, when you do it so, then please send one who is really able to speak the national language. The best thing would be you send a native speaker. So this is just the overview. In the next weeks I will send some episodes with more details in the direction of the different industries. Okay, mechanical engineering, electronic engineering, trading, food, tourism, and so on. Yeah? Okay, this was just to give you an idea what can be happen when you go over the border and you export your products also. So don't forget the challenges with certificates. Here in Europe we have the DIN norm, the Deutsche Industrienorm, German Industry Standard. We have workplace safety, we have product liability, technical approval, material requirements, material textures, and so on. We have a lot, huge different regulations. So please check it, because it's your money. You send your product in a new country, and when your customer can't sell this product because it isn't safe, it isn't the correct certificate included, then he will pay your bill. Yeah? It's normal. Yeah? Because when you send him a product what he isn't able to sell that because it doesn't fulfill all requirements what are necessary for the European market, then he doesn't pay your bill. Okay, so this was in our experience one of the most mistake what the most people do. They see, oh, it's my product here in my country, works all fine, it's all fine. Now I go over the border in a new country and there's always the same. No, it isn't. Okay, so please think of it when you start your export project, and have a nice day. Thanks. See you. Bye.